Have you ever noticed that most financial advice talks about discipline, but almost never about arithmetic? Let's take a normal scenario in the United States or Western Europe. You earn $4,200 a month after tax. Nothing unusual. You're working, stable, doing what you're supposed to do. Rent or mortgage, $1,600. Car payment and insurance, $520. Student loan, $280. Groceries and essentials, about $600. Subscriptions, phone, utilities, $300. Before you've lived a single moment of your life that month, $3,300 is already assigned. That leaves $900. Now here's where pure math quietly starts telling a different story than emotion does. You put $250 on a credit card for things that feel reasonable: eating out, small upgrades, travel payments. You don't think of it as debt, you think of it as smoothing life. But if that $250 stays on a card charging 20% interest, the math isn't smoothing anything, it's multiplying. At 20% annual interest, that $250 costs about $50 a year just to exist. But people rarely carry just one $250 balance. They carry a rolling average, maybe $3,000 across months. That balance costs about $600 every year in interest alone. That's not a purchase, that's rent paid to time. Now stretch that over 10 years. Without changing behavior, you've paid roughly $6,000 just for the privilege of being slightly more comfortable today. Pure math doesn't care about intent, it only measures flow. So why do intelligent working people accept this trade? Because psychologically, humans discount the future by default. We feel today in full resolution. We feel next year in low definition. When the cost is spread across time, it doesn't feel like spending. It feels like breathing. Necessary, invisible, harmless. There's also social calibration. If your peers lease cars, carry balances, upgrade devices, and travel occasionally, then mathematically expensive behavior starts to feel statistically normal. But normal and optimal are different categories. When financially intelligent people look at money, they don't ask, "Can I afford this payment?" They ask, "What is the lifetime cost of this decision in dollars of future freedom?" They see every recurring payment as a long equation, not a monthly event. A $520 car payment for 5 years isn't $520. It's $31,200 after-tax income that cannot compound, cannot invest, cannot reduce stress later. That's not a moral judgment, it's arithmetic. If this system runs untouched for 20 years, something predictable happens. Income grows slowly. Obligations grow automatically. Optionality shrinks quietly. Not dramatically, gradually, like interest itself. But when you apply pure math to your money, something shifts. You stop negotiating with feelings and start measuring trade-offs in time, not just dollars. And once you see money as stored life energy rather than monthly numbers, financial decisions stop feeling emotional. They start feeling mechanical. No drama, no urgency, just clarity. If this perspective helped you see your finances a little more objectively, you can subscribe for more calm, realistic breakdowns like this.